Welcome to Snidbits, the edgiest show that YouTube will allow us to post. Quick editor's note, guys, don't shrink me down like that again. I'm trying to do a serious show, okay? Anyway, I'm Yetti, and here's today's Snidbits. Chia seeds are edible seeds from the salvia family, which is a type of mint. These seeds are known for their ability to exude a mucilaginous coating when soaked in water. That means it looks and feels like mucus. Nutritionally, chia seeds are as nutritious as most other seeds. After all, they're baby plants, and as we all know, baby plants and baby animals are delicious. The most exciting thing about chia is the Chia Pet. Invented in 1977, you probably had a Chia Pet as a kid. You might recognize it as being a ceramic statue of usually an animal or famous character that you then coat with wet chia seeds, keep it watered, and allow it to grow. And yes, the chia seeds from your Chia Pet are edible, but they haven't been washed and are not fit for human consumption, so just go to the store and get some. As of 2019, 15 million Chia Pets have been sold. These things, 15 million. Now, my favorite Chia Pet is, of course, Richard Simmons. So if you're wondering what to get your loved ones this holiday season, Chia Pets are always a winner. Mewing is a technique where you put the tongue on the top of your mouth and touch your molars together in order to realign and strengthen the jaw. You have to thrust your jaw out like you're having a tantrum and keep your tongue on the roof of your mouth, which takes practice. Developed in the 80s by Dr. Mew, shocking that he named it after himself, Dr. Mew named this practice orthotropics, which he defines as a practice that focuses on altering the jawline and face through facial and oral posture and exercises. Mewing is claimed to help with sleep apnea, sinusitis, and even increasing swallowing strength. I'm not going to touch that one. But there are no scientific studies that show that mewing works. Nor are there any scientific studies that showing that mewing doesn't work. Online, many people tout the benefits of mewing: stronger jaw, better sleeping, better sinusitis. The downsides include TMJ pain, as well as possible crooked teeth and changing the structure of the jaw, which I thought was the point. So does mewing work? Well, the only way to find out is to try it, apparently. If you do, prepare to keep your mouth closed and have a really tired tongue. Up next, the internet's funniest dogs.